Hey everybody. So we took our camera down to the local boat ramp and just to see what we could see under the water there, and we were quite surprised to find quite a few fish. Here you see the edge of the boat ramp, and right away you see a lot of glass minnows. Lots and lots of glass minnows. And then here we go. Lots of mangrove snappers. Quite a few mangrove snappers were down there. Look, they're all hiding there underneath the side of the boat ramp. Tons and tons of glass minnows. I couldn't believe how many glass minnows were there. They're all being chased on the surface too by, I would assume, some of these mangrove snappers that were there. Look at them all hiding under there. Not too camera shy either. We tried to catch some of these earlier, but they weren't biting our shrimp. Maybe a little camera shy, maybe a little hook shy, but look, there we go. Lots of nice big mangrove snappers. Good size too, good keepers. They gotta be 10 inches in the state of Florida. Water's about 3 feet deep here. It's about late in the afternoon, so the lighting's not too good, but you can really see. There's the Sergeant Major. There's that camera, that current spinning me around. Glass minnows everywhere. Even a couple of hardtails. Drop down a little bit deeper here, we can see some of these mangroves. That was pretty cool. Lots and lots of fish under there. Right under the boat ramp. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more. Surfside out.